Hi, welcome to answersQ. Press the subscribe button and the bell icon to get more updates about free online courses and course answers. Hi friends, welcome to this video. educba is offering a free graphic design course and we are going to see about that in this video. Before going into the video, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do press this subscribe button and the bell icon so that you will get a notification whenever I upload a video. And you can also join our Telegram channel and I'll give you all the social media link in description. Check it out and connect with me on social media. And one more thing, our Instagram page is currently unavailable due to some technical errors. So I have an idea of creating a WhatsApp group. So what do you think of this idea of creating WhatsApp group for us? So leave that in the comment section. Leave your thoughts of creating a WhatsApp group. I'll check it out and I'll reply to each comment. So now let's go to the content of this video. So this free graphic design online course is offered by educba, and this course will also give you a free certificate once you complete the course content. And this course has a very good rating of 4.5 and it's one of the most popular course in educba. And these are the skills that you will master once you complete this course, like Photoshop, logo designing, designing applications, brochure designing, designing flat UI elements, professional jewelry designing, web designer, website layout design, UI designing, automobile designing, pattern making, Corel Draw, 3D in Photoshop, book cover designing, magazine designing, sketching, move tool, and a lot more. So these are the skills that you will master in this course, and I'm pretty sure that now you will have a question, how will I gain all these skills in one particular course? So that's the specialty of graphic design. Graphic design is a combination of a lot of things. It's not just designing, it has a lot more parameters and various things you should learn for graphic designing. So you will gain all these skills if you complete this course. And this course has some introduction, they have given it here, and this course will give you all videos for free for the lifetime, and you have more than 2 hours of video lectures and it's all available for free. You don't need to pay for anything, and you can learn everything you need to know to start using Adobe Photoshop in graphic designing, and you will get a lifetime access, as I said. And the eligibility is anyone who is interested in learning graphic designing can do this course, and anyone who wants to make a career out of graphic designing can also do this course. Prerequisites is nothing, but if you have a basic knowledge about Photoshop, you will have an upper hand in completing this course. And what do you get? So as I said, you will get a certificate of completion for the course once you complete it. And verifiable certificates, yes, you will get a verifiable certificate for each course you complete with a unique link. So the certificate you get can also be verified through a particular link, that is a unique link that you will get for your own certificate. And other details like the software required, system requirement, and the other details are given here. You can just look into it, and they have given the course curriculum also here. You can just read it out, and this is how your certificate will look like. So your name will come here, and here you can see a unique URL. You will get a unique URL for your own course certificate. So this is how your certificate is going to look like, and they have given what is graphic design and what skills you will learn in this course. Again, they have given a lot of things like pattern making, web designing, computer based illustrations, move tool, square and circle selection tool. They have given all the skills that you will gain after completing this course. And prerequisites is, as I said, there is nothing. You just have to learn graphic design. You should have an urge to learn graphic design, and you should have some very basic computer skills, and that is more than enough. And target audience is students who want to make a career in graphic designing, and animation professionals, web designers, and digital marketers. And anyone who's interested in learning graphic designing can do this course. And here they have also given the career benefits, and they have given the course reviews here. You can just read it out. Few people have given a course review for this course. You can just read it out. So now let me tell you how to enroll for this course. At the top of the course, you can see here enroll for free button. Just click on it and you will see a dialog box like this, and you should enter your email address here. And then once you have given your mail address, click on yes, give me free access. Once you click on this, you can see here all the login details for this free course will be emailed to you. So let me give my mail address and catch up after that. So once you have given your mail, click on this button here, yes, give me free access. And the next step is to verify your email, and you can see here an email is sent to your email address for account verification. So you will get a mail like this from educba. Just click on this button here, click here to verify your email, just click on it. And the next step is to set a password for your account. So you have to set a password, and once you have given your password, click on save. So once you set the password, the account registration process is completed, and now you are ready to enroll in the course. You can see that we have already enrolled in this free course, free graphic design course. You can click on this course and start completing the course, and once you complete it, you will receive a certificate for free from educba. So this is the content for this video. educba is offering a free graphic design online course, and you can also get a free certificate once you complete this course. So I hope this video was helpful to you all. To get more updates about free online courses, course answers and internships, subscribe to answersQ and press the bell icon. And you can also connect with me on social media platforms like Telegram. I'll give you all the link in description. Check it out. And don't forget to drop your thoughts on creating a WhatsApp group for answersQ community. So that's it for this video. I'll meet you very soon in the next video. Until then, it's bye from Surinder. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment if you need anything, and share this video with your friends. And thank you so much for watching this video.